Good morning, everyone. Thanks for being here today. I'm excited to present our annual operational plan focused on boosting our customer service satisfaction this year. Our main objectives include reducing response times, enhancing service consistency, and implementing feedback mechanism to ensure we're meeting consumer expectations. I like each of you to play a key role in this campaign. Let's go over the plan. I love to hear your feedback and recommendation. HR will play a crucial role in upskilling our customer service team. We'll need you to organize regular training session on communication skills, empathy, and problem solving. I think it will be helpful if we could have monthly training session focus on handling customer compliance effectively. What are your thoughts on that, and do you see any potential challenge? Absolutely. Mentorship program is a fantastic idea. It would help maintain consistency in service quality and provide on-the-job learning. Thank you, HR. Moving on. For IT, we need your team to implement a CRM system to track customer interaction and gather feedback. This will help us analyze areas for improvement in real time. What are your thoughts? Great question. Let's prioritize future like customer feedback tracking, real-time reporting, and automated follow-ups. We want this CRM to help us identify trends in customer issues and streamline response time. Do you have an estimate on the timeline for implementation? Perfect. Thank you both. Now, sales. Your team will also be instrumental in this campaign. I'd like you to collect regular feedback from clients about their experience and share insight with us. This will give us real-time information on our customer satisfaction level. Do you think your team will be able to handle this? Good idea. On the surveys, let's I am for quarterly feedback reports so we can adjust our strategies as needed. Thus, that sounds manageable. Excellent. Thank you for input. To summarize, HR will handle the training and mentorship program. It will set up and manage the CRM, and sales will gather and report customer feedback. Yes, I'll handle budget approvals. Let's meet monthly to review progress and address any obstacles. Please keep me posted on any roadblocks you face. Perfect. Thank you, team. Let's make this campaign a success. If there are no further questions, I'll wrap this up.